Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailshake outreach sequences for appointment setting, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Mailshake outreach sequences for appointment setting, start by logging into your Mailshake account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sequences tab located in the main menu. Click on the Create New Sequence button to build a new outreach sequence. Begin by naming your sequence something relevant, such as Appointment Setting Outreach. In the sequence editor, you can start adding your outreach emails. Click on the Add Step button to include your first email. Craft a compelling subject line that captures attention and leads to higher open rates. In the email body, personalize the message to connect with your recipient. Use variables like the recipient's name and company to increase engagement. After finishing your first email, you can set a delay before the next step in the sequence. Click on Add Step again to incorporate follow-up emails if no response is received. For each follow-up, ensure the messaging is concise and encourages a response. Customize the timing for each follow-up step based on your outreach strategy. Once your sequence is complete, review all the steps for any necessary edits or refinements. When satisfied, save your sequence to ensure all changes are properly recorded. Next, navigate to your leads or contact list. Select the contacts you want to target with your new outreach sequence. Click on the Start Sequence button to initiate the outreach process. Choose the sequence you just created from the drop-down menu. Confirm that all settings are correct, and begin the outreach campaign. Monitor the progress of your emails and follow-up responses through the dashboard. This allows you to evaluate the effectiveness of your outreach strategy. Adjust your sequence as needed based on response rates and engagement metrics. By utilizing Mailshake effectively, you can streamline your appointment setting process. Implementing these steps will enhance your outreach success and drive more meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.